So today the day started with from 255.32 on Tesla, and the second candle was quite massive green candle, and it actually touched 258 in the first 15 minutes, and after that highest point at 10:05 a.m. The highest point was 259.75. It was almost 260. In fact, the specific number was 259.84. From that point, it came down, and at around 10:25, there was a quite an engulfing red candle, and from that point, I felt that the market will come down, but it was not supposed to crash anyway. We all know that because we all are expecting it to reach to 261 or 262 very soon. So it was not really possible to crash. That's normal, but yeah, well, even I was thinking that it should touch 260 or 261, but anyway, at around 10:30, the market actually came down. Right now is 11:47 a.m. Maybe at around 12:30 or 1 o'clock, market might again go up to 59 or to 59.50. So I don't really think another huge move will come today. I think because the market is already below the VWAP at around 11:48 a.m. In the afternoon. So let's see what happened in the afternoon. But next couple of days should be better. I mean, tomorrow or Friday, it should at least touch 260 again. So thank you so much for watching.